Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.9, Problem 21. This is Section 2.9, Problem 21. It says find the sum of 2 3/8 and 4 1/2. So sum means add these numbers together. So with mixed numbers like this, like the 2 3/8 and the 4 1/2, I like to write the problem in a vertical format, like that. And what we have to do is find the common denominator. So we have denominators of 8 and 2. 8 is a good common denominator. Both denominators divide into 8 evenly. So for the top fraction of 3/8, well, the denominator didn't change. It wasn't 8, it stayed an 8. So the top gets to stay the same. Or you can even do the same process. 8 times something was 8 was times 1. So the top is times the same amount times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Now the bottom, though, you do have to do some figuring out. 2 times some amount is 8. Well, 2 times 4 is 8. So the numerator must be multiplied times the same amount. 1 times 4 is 4. 4/8 is the same as 1/2. Now I can add my numerators. 3 plus 4 more is 7 over my common denominator of 8, 7/8. Don't forget about the whole numbers in front. 2 plus 4 more is 6. So I have 6 and 7/8. Now you want to check to see, can that be reduced? And the answer is no, that won't reduce. So we're done. That is the final answer, 6 and 7/8.